welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chidube Magugwa and thank you guys for clicking on this link. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my mask at home, my DIY mask. I'm going to be showing you 3 different methods, so whichever works for you, let me know in the comment section below. Also, how are you guys feeling in this pandemic situation? This period, this quarantine period, it's stressing me out, so I want to know how you guys are handling it. What do you guys do to make yourself sane? Like, let me know, let's have that conversation. All right, let's get into the video and let me know what you think. So that concludes the making of the mask. So I'm gonna try them on and show you guys how they look. Firstly, I'm gonna try Okay, so that was fun making that DIY video for you guys. So let me know in the description box below how you guys are spending your quarantine time with your loved ones, with your family, with your friends. How are you guys experiencing this whole situation? Like, let me know. Let's chat. Have fun and see you guys in my next video. Whoa. Bye-bye.